buy seeds from a garden shop or collect from blueberries from grocery store. These are the seeds. To separate the seeds, mash the berries in a bowl or soak them in water for 12 hours to loosen the seeds. Remove the floating pulp, the seeds will sink to the bottom. Wash the seeds and place them on a kitchen paper in shade to dry before storing or planting. I followed a simpler method. Instead of taking out the seeds from the fruit, I used the whole fruit for planting. The seeds need stratification to break dormancy and encourage. For this, enclose the seeds or blueberry in a paper towel. Spray water. And seal in a plastic bag. Store the bag in the fridge for 1 to 3 months. This mimics winter conditions and prepares the seeds for sprouting. Check the seeds every 2 weeks. Throw away any seeds that develop fungus. Change the paper if it becomes black. After 3 months, take seeds out and plant in soil. Take a small pot having drainage holes. Fill this pot with coarse sand or with a mixture of soil and sand. Spread the seeds on the soil surface. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil mix. Blueberry seeds need light to germinate, so do not cover them with too much soil. Cover the pot with a clear plastic to maintain high humidity inside. Place the pot in shade at a warm place at a bright place. If outside temperature is low, place the pot indoors in a bright location. Ensure that the soil remains moist. The blueberry seeds are slow to germinate, may take 1 to 3 months, so be patient. Once you see seedlings to emerge, remove the cover from the pot. Transplanting. Once the seedlings have a few sets of leaves, you can transplant them into larger containers in a well-draining acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.